In this lesson, we are going to examine another type of driven dimension. A driven dimension is a dimension where its value cannot be changed. Driven dimensions are driven by driving dimensions. In other words, driven dimensions are driven by dimensions used to create the model. Now, the type of driven dimension that we're going to cover in this lesson is called baseline dimensions. I am going to select the drop-down Smart dimension and then select baseline dimension. I'll zoom in on my top view. I'll select my baseline or my 0 point, and then the first feature I want to dimension to. Notice it places a 20 millimeter dimension. I'll select the second feature I want to dimension to, and the third. And notice how all of these dimensions originate from the same baseline. This is often referred to as datum dimensioning. Close out of the property manager, go back into baseline dimensions, and do the same for the depth. Close out of the property manager, and just like ordinate dimensions, you'll see that when you move a baseline dimension, the corresponding baseline dimensions move with it. Now, just like ordinate dimensions, you can right mouse click and break that alignment. And just like ordinate dimensions, you can add to these baseline dimensions. So for example, I did not specify the distance to this point here. So I am going to right mouse click on any one of these dimensions, select add to baseline, and then select this last point. Now, if you notice some of your dimensions are getting tight with baseline dimensioning, and you would like to provide more space between those dimensions, you simply go to your options and select Document Properties, Dimensions, and this is the value that you want to change. This is what controls the spacing of the baseline dimensions.